The whole gang outside, bro.
That's Surrons there.
Why would Surrons be here? Where the f is Surrons? I don't see him.
Hey, let's hit the mall.
It's like 35 probably.
That's it?
Yeah. Yo, it's good they were outside with a bunch of fucking teens, bro. A bunch of teens. Bro, these kids are menaces out here. Hey, yo, but we're outside already. Today we're not filming with the GoPro because bad lighting, bro. Like, there's no way I can film with this light right now. Yeah. Back on the right, baby! It was bad? Yeah, bro! Alright, bet, alright, bet. Let's see that wheelie! He got a dick on his shit! What the fuck? Yeah.
We outside.
Yo! Good. Get the .5, honestly. I think that looks way better. Bro, this shit crazy, bro. We out in the nighttime. This shit like dangerous. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Impossible, bro. Show me Ethan. Show me Ethan.
My heart so cold, colder than no hotel. Right through her soul, short division, lost control. Back and forth, oh, scroll. Better have taste, roll. No, got it, oh, no. Ass kick, feel go. Talk that shit won't be alive. Ain't too tight to push alive. Keep my eyes on the prize. Alone again, I fucking drive. Alone again, I will survive. Alone again is no surprise. Go from 1995. Bitch, you better recognize.
Bro, this thing goes like 35.
35? Is it stock?
Yeah, it's stock, completely stock. Say what?
Are you gonna upgrade it?
Yeah, eventually, for sure, dude. Bro, I wish I had the GoPro right now, bro. It'd be way better. I've been wanting to try this. The iPhone camera view. Yo, they're worms, bro. Pulling up to the mall? What? At the mall with it. Hey, you. Yeah. Okay. All right, go. We're just gonna get a little clip of my boy right here. You know what I'm saying? See what's good.